Frustrated by the Windows File System Proxy MSIL module DLL pop-up crashing your app? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's troubleshoot the cause and fix it for good. Before we start the Windows File System Proxy MSIL module configuration, consider using the diagnostic resource below to maintain a clean system state. This is the Windows File System Proxy MSIL module, the Microsoft Intermediate Language, MSIL, assembly for the Windows File System Proxy, WinFSP. It allows .NET applications, CPs, to mount virtual drives like Rclone. If missing, Cloud Sync tools will crash, citing an assembly load failure, preventing the creation of virtual network drives in File Explorer. With that background out of the way, here is how we actually restore the missing component. The Windows File System Proxy MSIL module DLL library is a critical dependency of the WinFSP Project framework, and the most effective fix is to reinstall the specific program where you received the error to force a fresh deployment of the internal file. Should the reinstallation fall short, the next step in our protocol is to validate the integrity of your system's startup environment. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered Windows File System Proxy MSIL module component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. Next, we'll move beyond the basics. If your screen hasn't changed after the restart, follow me to step 3. If you need to pause the video while your folders load, don't hesitate. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before you proceed, let's touch on the essential safety standards for handling shared library files. Be aware that manual interventions for Windows File System Proxy MSIL module DLL often create secondary conflicts. Using an incorrect file version can cause cascading application crashes, making your workstation significantly less stable than before. A verified diagnostic utility can help manage the ongoing restoration and health of your system's library ecosystem. If you're looking to streamline system performance, the link in the description references a maintenance tool associated with Windows File System Proxy MSIL module. I'm Sophie Chen. If we successfully restored Windows File System Proxy MSIL module functionality for you today, liking this video helps other users find this solution. Subscribe for professional tech support.